Today we're going to check out all the camera features which come standard on the GV80 Prestige and Advanced. To access the camera menu, all you have to do is put the car in reverse or plus the parking camera button. At this point, you could choose between a couple settings on the screen. You have your traditional backup camera, overhead view, as well as your curb camera. On top of that, you also have your third-person view, which can easily be rotated on the center console. Lastly, you can also go into settings and adjust the brightness as well as other settings. Along with the cameras on the front, the back, and on the side view mirrors, this vehicle also comes with sensors all around the vehicle, which allow you to see a three-dimensional view all around. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time.